खुल तो ये पहले ही चुका है। Hello friends, and today we are going to unbox a partially unboxed Eco Dot, and I guess you can get to see a lot of such videos on YouTube on the unboxing, so we will do it quickly and we'll skip to the other part where we'll see how we can use this, and we'll try some shots and we'll see how it works and how do we configure it with our Alexa app. So let's get into it. This is how you get the box. It will have, so as it is coming from Amazon, it will have its own thing. If we open it, it comes like this. So here is the Amazon Eco Dot. This is some samples given that what can be done with this. So we'll try out these questions. This is the manual. How are we supposed to install this Alexa? So it has steps which is very clearly mentioned. If you follow this, this is good enough. Okay, and this is the charger. I guess this is pretty big. It will cover more than required place. Fine, so we will now connect it and we'll see how does it work. So we are going to plug it in. And you can see this light glowing on this.
Hello, your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So it asks me to open the Alexa app, so we'll do it. So now we will start with these options. I will try all of them and we'll see what happens. Alexa, play Bollywood songs.
Here's a station for Bollywood music, top hits, from Amazon Prime Music.
Alexa, what song is this?
This is Zippy by Amit Trivedi.
Alexa, play relaxing music.
Here's a station for relaxing music, Relaxing Christmas, from Amazon Prime Music.
Alexa, stop. Now we'll check out some news and radio options. Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your flash briefing. From Reuters now.
From Reuters TV, here are today's top stories.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Radio Mirchi station.
Radio Mirchi from TuneIn.
Season's greetings and Happy New Year. It's hot.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, where's my order?
I didn't find any open orders for Abhyuti.
Alexa, what is in my wish list?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, call mom.
I can't call mom's phone number. I can call contacts who have signed up for Alexa calling, and I can call phone numbers in India.
Alexa, whom can I call from my friend list?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, so these are the few things which we can do for now, and there are many more things. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did Anushka eat her pizza without toppings? Because baby को बेस पसंद है.
Alexa, volume up. Alexa, when is Diwali?
Diwali will be on Wednesday, the 7th of November 2018.
Alexa, how many teaspoons in a tablespoon?
1 tablespoon equals 2.96 teaspoons.
Alexa, how is the weather?
In Pattabhiram Nagar, it's 22 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect mostly clear skies with a low of 14 degrees.
Alexa, can you read a book from me?
I can't read any book in your library. You can buy a text-to-speech enabled book on Amazon.in.
Okay, so we are not going to ask any more questions, else it will start. I can't call out the name. Okay, for more information on this device, this is assembled in China, and the battery is probably from Luxembourg, and it has a nice back which will hold to the surface. It will not slip, so this background is pretty nice. And until now the volumes are decently good, and you have this button to make it not listen to you, and now you can say Alexa, 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 and it will not respond. So as long as this red color is on, it is not going to respond to anything you are going to tell it. This device has only one mic here in the front, while the Alexa Echo has 5 mics, which does the far field audio reception pretty well, but this device has only one mic, so I'm not sure how far it will be working. As per the manual, there's nothing given in terms of distance, but for Bluetooth it says the device should not be more than 1 meter, so you can connect any Bluetooth device with this to Bluetooth audio device to use that as a volume. Additionally, it has a audio jack here, which can be connected to any speaker. So build wise it is decently good, and it takes input of 5 volt and 1.8 ampere current. So I guess any adapter which gives you this configuration would be good enough.
Your Echo Dot received an important update and must restart. It will be ready again shortly.
This is something surprising. So I guess it is restarting. Yes, so this green color circle on the blue ring indicates that it is starting. So you can probably watch it. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 9:05 p.m.
Okay, so it got restarted. It didn't take more than a minute, and I am not sure what is the update it received. So it will be much more fun if we use this device with something else like Fire TV or some smart bulbs or something like that. Then talking to it and getting things done would be really helpful and useful. Only working with this device is pretty boring, I feel. But yeah, it's the most basic device which is there in the series, and this is currently priced at 3,100 something, which is the introductory offer by Amazon in India, and soon its price is going to increase, it seems. So if you have any other question on the basis of what you have seen and what you have experienced, you can put it into the comments. I would like to answer whatever I can, and uh, any other details which is mentioned, which should be available in this video, would be all given in the description as a link. So for now, thank you, and we'll meet again in another video with this and few more devices working together. Thank you. ये तो खोल चुका है, हम इसे फिर से खोलेंगे।
और थोड़ी स्माइल, सड़ा हुआ चेहरा किसी को देखना पसंद नहीं होता है।
हेलो बोलो हेलो।
हाय इको। इको बात करता है?
ये हेलो एवरीवन नहीं होता।
इको बात क्यों नहीं करता? ऐसे तुम्हारा वीडियो स्टार्ट हो?
करते ही पहले चुका है।
हाँ, ऐसे ही स्टार्ट।
बाय।